ha, siyibonile ingane yakhe e-workshop. And I'm not going to sit here and lie and say, abafana bakaMashu babengihlupha.
Yeah.
Or abafana basemzuvela high school kwaMashu babengihlupha. I never got the hate from anyone else. But in most times, ngangithola egcekeni. So that's why I get to experience ukuba gay and see other gay men and see other queer people. I was like, oh, this life is nice, nah? Yeah, when I crop top, and they look gorgeous and they're putting their faces, it's nice.
Yeah.
So I'm like, oh, okay, sharp. But for a long time, until I started working. So to quickly come back to your question, I wasn't as confident as I am now. So ngikhule kwaMashu bengibona ukuthi hayi
Lapho umzila lo theceleni.
lo that's so sissy, but they wouldn't have the guts to come and ask me about it.
Yeah.
But my family, the thing is about my family, and this is the first time I'm actually talking about this.
Tell me about it, man.
And it's, yeah. So for the longest of time, even namhlanje, I think this video, us having a conversation now.
Yeah.
Only now.
Was I joke?
This is literally the first time in 29 years of living in this country.
Yeah.
I can actually say that I am a proud gay man.
Thank you.
If they watch, they watch.
Thank you.
So yeah, I've never come out. I came out to my parents.
You never
told. I've never come out to anybody.
Mate boom.
It's like,
yeah.
Why velenje? Like
I've never had a really opportunity to say to my family, manu baba ngi-transgender, because obhuti bami sesibambakazi bahlale phansi nabo athi usiswami ngiyintombazane athi ubhuti wami ngumfana
I love that.
sizingane nje bezikhula,
yes.
but they did notice ukuthi ule khona angakuthandi esithi let's introduce kuyena, but ule angathandi, ule uthanda lokho. So ngiyayithandela ibeke ngakhona, and le ndlela ibeke ngakhona ifundisa nomzali ekhaya ekutheni ungathathi umntana wakho umfide lento ocabanga wena ukuthi izoba right for yena. Why I'm saying this, uzothola ukuthi kunomfana or kunentombazane lapha ekhaya umuntu abe nomndeni, of course ngoze ekhaya indoda abe nomndeni ashade abe nengane engathi nga 3. Uyabona lapha yasekuhamba iminyaka, no unendoda yakhe ubaba la ekhaya or umama la ekhaya unentombi yakhe eceleni.
Yes.
Mase siyabuya thina sumphakathi sithi ukwenza kanjani lo ukuthi jole nobaba bashade babe nengane emva kalokho sethanda ubulili obufana nobakhe, ukwenza kanjani lokho?
Because also come out sometimes for me, kuyakuvalela to experience your sexuality, because truth be told,
usifunda ngendlela
sexuality uyifunda ngendlela. Life is for the living. I always say that. So the time when upumeka, and I don't disregard abantu abaphumayo, because we have different journeys of life,
of course,
and we learn differently as people. But I always say, ukuthi, should you wish to come out, why are you coming out? Because once again, uke wangichazela washo ukuthi umuntu wesilisa, a straight person, doesn't come out and say, yo, he's straight,
yeah, ngiyintombazane, abakusho. We all that much.
Why do you then feel the need to tell me to come out, which means you're entitled in my life? I don't work like that.
Okay.
So for that long, gangsaba mbachela, to be quite honest, and also because I've always been woke, even ngisakhula, so ngangazi ukuthi if ngibachela bazongitreat in a different way, kanti it's just it's sexuality. It doesn't mean ukuthi
ayivuki.
So, because we live in a country where wonke umuntu is opinionated. Like, kini kunesithabane. Manje usho silala phansi uyakwazi sinqunu. Ugezaphi? Udla naye nishaya isipuna soda. It's like kuyathelelana ukuba homosexual.
I get you.
So sometimes ngiyibasizele shem, because I'm sure now he got that from his friends, of which or whatever confusion that he had at the time, where we say like mean.
Oh.
As a sibling.
I win.
So I remember there was one time because I used to do like the artist schooling, so back tied, whatever. Angene erumini ati wena kune video Jesus God. Kune video yakho ye porn.
Yakho?
uthi kune video yami yeporn.
But ayikho noma ikhona.
Ayikho mntase kanjani manje.
The biggest friend uthi uzofona manje.
I wish I had one, but I didn't.
Yeah.
I was like, if video yami yeporn, I'm like, angikaze ngize ngibe kwi-porn. I think he had heard ukuthi at that time kwakune smash noma igay eyayidumile nje kwaMash, may he still rest in peace.
Oh.
Washona back then kwakune video yakhe enza izinto ezikanjalo
Okay.
someone else. Because the way bamchaza ngakhona bathi esitabane sine video kanje because it was not easy. Akufana manje kuno TikTok uyakwazi ukubona ivideo yabantu abagqoka uniform yesonto anyway now doing whatever they're doing.
Yeah.
So back then kwakungekho lula ukuthi uthole ivideo like kwamele uzwe isitoko or uthole isigaxa
Umuve nazo.
Umuve Stolezo, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So mayfika endlini uzwe kuwena ukuthi kunesitabane esithizeni esine video and then he comes and approached me and he was very abusive, like physically.
Hayi wena.
That's when I realized, you know, there's something going on here. After that, he started like hitting me. I even have a scar here. I have a scar here.
IT.
I have a scar here.
Bulwa naye.
Ngangabi because angikwazi ukulwa nkosami.
So
uye belwa nami.
But did you report kumzali anyone okhona ekhaya? Because I'm sure you're bleeding at the time. You see?
I was bleeding, right? The thing is, I will be very honest with you.
Please, love.
Kule emndenini we didn't talk about feelings.
Okay.
We didn't address ukuthi kwenzakalani. Like abolo mbuzo ukuthi are you okay? I never got that from home. So siphile sonke but besingekho sonke.
Okay.
It's like umuntu uyazibonela in a way. But we're still a family, but it's like so uthando bengilithola in most cases ngaphandle.
Oh, then ekhaya.
Than ekhaya. Especially as a gay person. So mengishaya, I remember the first time mengishaya and ngiphuma igazi. Sasibabili endlini.
Okay.
And my mom came back from emsebenzini. I'm like, "Yeah, kwenzakaleni, whatever." I'm explaining to her, "Guti, this is what happened and this is the person ongenze so."
Yeah.
I don't remember her addressing that with the person owayengilimazile. I don't remember if kubone mekunenkinga emndenini kuba khona i-family meeting.
Hlala
phansi ingane kubuza ukuthi kwenzakaleni ungaphindi wenze kanje.
Yeah.
That never happened. So at the back of my mind ngangivele ngiyibeke ngemuva and I'll just carry on with my life. Because ngiyazi ukuthi akekho umuntu ozongilwela izimpi zami. So I used to take the beating. I used to take the verbal abuse and I'll just move on. And manje as an adult, ngiyibuke how bruised I am. Because I don't speak about my issues to anybody. That's why you hardly gonna find anything about me. I don't know how to engage my feelings or express emotions to someone. But it's a journey that I'm going through.
Okay.
I'm learning every day to be expressive. But ngikhule kanjalo, so ibullying noma ngithi homophobia angitholanga ngaphandle. And I'm not gonna sit here and lie and say abafana bakaMash babengihlupha.
Yeah.
Or abafana basemzuvela high school kwaMash babengihlupha. I never got the hate from anyone else. But in most times ngangithole egcekeni and I just had to, I don't know, learn and move on. And luckily ekhaya kwakune lesbian. There was I think I hope I don't mispronounce, but amabhuji laba amabhuji
Yeah.
our boot.
Yeah.
But lesbian.
Okay.
So ngikhule ngimbona ukhona egcekeni but behlala emakhaya ma respect. So besilokhu sigodwa mhlawumbe ngoChristmas noma kunemicimbi bengimbona then bengamboni every single day.
Okay.
But bengimbona so abantu basekhaya abadala like abodadewabo kababa, it wasn't as like into abayiqalayo kuyibona.
Okay.
Kwakunalento ngeke ngizwe ngisakhula kuthiwa I should wamthelela.
Oh.
Which is also a huge problem within our society. There's that thing ukuthi uzofundisa ingane lo mkhulu. They make it seem like iyathelelana. Akekho umuntu ongavuma, guys, taking a dick is not easy.
Taking a day?
Taking a dick is
Ngicela uyibeke ngesizulu angizwanga oh. Ingibeke nje mbaba ngizwe.
Ukulala nomuntu wesilisa as a gay man.
Yeah.
Akukho mnandi, akukho easy. Like uyaziprepare guys. yabo akufani njenga maka Enzo bayazi ukuthi uyakagaya uyazi ukuthi uzofika enza into yakhe.
Yeah.
Mina I have to go through everything ngikhathe. You know what I mean?
I get you.
Ngenza sure ukuthi angidli for the next 24 hours.
Yeah.
If I am eating something, it needs to be light.
Yeah.
So there's so much of preparation. It's like you're reading a script to go on a scene somewhere.
Yeah.
It's insane.
Yeah.
So kunaleyo nto ukuthi umthelelile umuntu, and it doesn't work like that.
Exactly.
So there's that conception corner that I grew up experiencing. So it wasn't as much as painful from my extended family members. Bengithola kulabantu engihlala nabo.
But do you see that person now, and what is that person's reaction towards you now? Usukhulile.
Kinama childhood traumas.
Did you deal with them?
I don't think so.
You did not.
But I'm learning to.
So in your life, you don't find or get in your space where they kick in between ukuphila kwakho.
I think kulo nyaka Shem they did.
They did it kulo nyaka.
I've been alone for almost a year, and I've been.
So awuthole le moto?
No, in a sense where no ngiyajola kade ngijola last week angazi kuyenzakaleni.
Ufuna ukwazi.
Last week I was dating.
Yeah.
And you know who you are. Then Jola last week, yeah, but that's a story for do we talk about it?
It's next. But I'm here ukuthi you are a person owazile ukuthi kungabi yinto that steps in your way makhona ufuna ukuzenza empilweni, of course.
Oh no.
Yeah.
No.
I'm able to figure leso sigaba. And then if hamba izifike ngisho emjolweni wakho, because remember kuyenzeka ukuthi ujoyine umuntu ozothi angithanda ukuthi sivele emphakathini, ngifune sijole eqeleni. Ingaveli lento. Baningi abafana bayithanda leyo nto. Asize siba group esithi ama after 9 noma sithi ama MSM. Ama MSM laba sithi are men who have sex with men. There are no feelings. They are just men who enjoys having sex with other men. So in this case, umuntu osukujola naye, how open are you in your relationship?
Regarding my emotions.
Of course.
I think one of the reasons why ngasajoli, it's because of that.
Why?
I was in a relationship for 3 years with this person. So this person comes to me ati, let's try something out. Ashjole, I love you, and I'm angiko openly gay. Gisagwi closet.
Okay.
But we're going to try and make it work. I'm like, okay, sharp. And shem umfika miserable gigoa. Gisanda nyiseka that day. Omunye umjolo hamba wayothola umawengane. I'm like, okay, sharp.
Yeah.
So I'm still in the whole thing. So ngithandane naye, and we pushed for 3 years, like for 3 years, babe.
Nice.
But in the look vela in the relationship is me not being able to express how I feel. Like me kunento ngiphatha kabi, I'll just shut. Ngolo muntu if kunento ngiphatha kabi, I'll just lock myself in my room.
Okay.
And just watch movies or series or whatever. Angikwazi communicator like the emotion side of myself. I always feel like if I go that far, then I can't come back from that.
So lo 3 years lo uphathe kahle
until it ended, and I didn't end the relationship.
Who ended the relationship?
The relationship was, I'm not sure how he's going to take this, but let's go. The relationship ended because remember Wuti, he was in the closet for that long.
Okay.
Now uyakhula umuntu. He then comes and tells me Wuti he wants to have a child.
And what was your
After 3 years of being in a homosexual relationship
with you?
with me. And then mina ngiyatobengistera
love.
nganamuntu
Driving all.
awu
Yeah.
bekuthiwa nangu uphi lo engekho lo.
Yeah.
We became like friends, like best friends.
Okay.
And then he comes to me and he's like, sengifuna ukuba nengane, but this is what I want you to do for me. Ngifuna ukuthi siqhubeke sibe ku relationship, but ngizoba ku relationship nomunye umuntu.
So that means uzolala nomunye umuntu without using a protection. Abuya zolala now.
That's my argument.
Wena.
That's my argument. I was like, angeke ngize ngikwazi ukuhlala ku relationship kanjalo.
Yeah.
So I had to defend my emotions and defend myself and my help So ngaphuma kwi-relationship. So I feel like to a later stage, I was able to express ukuthi ngizizwa kanjani when sengibona ukuthi no, ayingisebenzeli lento. I can't be in a relationship with you and then you expect me ukuthi understand ukuthi kunomunye umuntu wesifazane ngaphandle ozolala naye without any protection.
Uyabona?
Just because you want
Ufuna umntana.
ufuna umntwana.
So bithi ulala wonke abantu nawe atholayo la omitha kuqala uyena uma wengane.
Ngizolokhu ngihleli ngilinde wena.
Yeah.
So I had to say no to that.
So ama crush akhona ekukhuleni owabonayo manje.
Engabona sengingani?
A crushela when? It's either a girl or a boy be crusher when.
I don't know. Mhlawumbe akaze ningitshele guys, mina ningitshele, I don't know.
Ubasa kuthanda na.
Women?
Yeah.
No, I've no.
So in Joburg ne kunokwenzeka okukhulu bathi hayi mani itamani zase Durban zimbi.
Hey.
That's it. Bathi sibabi. Asigqoki kahle. Ngize ngizibuza ukuthi sifike kanjani lapho.
The comparison between Joburg and Durban is
Take me through it.
It's concerning.
Yeah.
Right? Because Gauteng is a province where majority of abantu baseGoli they're not even from Joburg. Yeah. Because it's like a capital city. Wonke umuntu uye lapho kuyosebenza. Nabazali baya khona beyosebenza baze baba nengane and everybody is open-minded because idolophu indawo.
Yeah.
So a comparison between Durban and Joburg is always concerning for me because eThekwini kunalento ukuthi kumele uhloniphe uhambe erenki uyazi ukuthi khona ubaba mhlambe khona usabana nokuthi khona umama omaziyo omngani noma wakho so uzosho ukuthi ha
sibonile ingane yakhe eworkshop. Yeah.
So kunaleyo nto ukuthi ngiyasaba maybe I need to wear a certain way to please abanye abantu. So sikhula naleyo mentality ukuthi okay ngigay but angikwazi ukugqoka kanje because I also went through the same thing. Like as gay as I am, gay as I know that I am, but khona ezinye izinto ebengiyibona kwamanye ama-gays mhlawumbe bebefikile kuyi-pride from PMB or Joburg I'm like ha ngiyafisa nkosami nami ngifake i-crop top or ngiyafisa
uveza umkhaba wakho
nami ngiveza umkhaba wami noma ngifake i-glitter khona into kakhele ikhumalo weyigcoba iqhakazi like I want to use that but I can't do that because ngiyasaba ukuthi what if ngihlangana nomuntu osebenza nobaba noma umuntu osebenza nomama.
Oh yeah.
So kunaleyo nto ukhula usaba uyi-boxa noma usaba ukuyi-expose who you are because of that, because of how KZN is so culture driven. Kunaleyo nto ukuthi yikwaZulu la. And we have seen that happening with the latest Umqhele and all of that. We did not get amaXhosa coming through and carrying on about how this, but we got that from KZN because kunalento ukuthi sinamakhaya la kunamathuna in KZN. So there's a lot of respect and there's a lot of culture that drives who we are as KZNs.
Correct.
So I don't really like comparison. I always say give people grace.
Good.
Give people time to evolve. Allow people to find themselves. Ngingahlala eKZN because of that mentality ukuthi oh ngwasemakhaya ngwasendedo noma ngwaka PMB because I have that mentality ngiyasaba to expose myself.
Yeah.
But when I'm in Joburg I might be a complete different person because I'm in a different city. Ngiyazi ukuthi akekho umuntu ozothi hayi ngizomtshela uma wakho ngikubonile ufaka ingubo.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I get you.
So I always say the comparison between the two cities or two provinces, just give people grace.